Hey, what's up guys, it's Lord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tech tutorial video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make private calls and at the same time how to disable the private number feature. So let's say you're trying to call somebody but you don't want this person to know your phone number or to see your phone number, or whenever you call somebody they do see your number as private number but you don't actually know how you go about activating that feature. Well, you're at the right place, because in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to remove the feature and at the same time how to activate the feature. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. So first off, to activate this feature with code, what you have to do is to click on this call dialer and dial *31#. This will automatically enable the private number feature and make your number private when trying to make calls on your smartphone. So let's try it out to see how it's going to look like. So yeah, it works. So to disable this feature, what you have to do is to dial *31#, and the feature will get disabled on your smartphone. So if you don't actually want to use like a code on your smartphone, you just want to like set it up on your smartphone, what you have to do is to click at these three dots at the right top and click on settings. Now click on calling accounts and click on the SIM card that you're actually using to call, or you want to private the number. So when you click at the same network, what you have to do is to click on additional settings. So you can see caller ID and call waiting. So just click on caller ID and click on hide number, network default, anyone you feel like. But for me, you can actually just click on hide number. If you want to like disable the private number feature, you can just click on show number. But if you want to activate the feature, you can click on hide number. And that's just it. Yeah, that is all on how to enable the private number feature and also how to disable the private number feature. So if you find this video useful in any ways at all, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell as well. At the same time, leave a comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you all on my next video. Peace. Peace.